In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cast your Android screen to your laptop so you can mirror your phone and view it directly on your computer. Screen mirroring is really handy if you want to watch videos on a bigger display, play mobile games with a keyboard and mouse, record tutorials, or present something from your phone in a meeting. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the full process from start to finish so you can get everything working smoothly. First, make sure your Android phone and your laptop are both turned on and connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is important because most casting methods rely on both devices being on one network to find each other. If you're on mobile data on your phone, switch over to Wi-Fi before you start. On your Android phone, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notification shade. Then swipe down again to fully expand the quick settings panel. Here, you're looking for an option labeled something like Cast, Screencast, Smart View, Screen Mirroring, or Wireless Display. The exact name can vary depending on your phone's brand and Android version, but it will usually have an icon that looks like a screen with a Wi-Fi signal in one corner. If you don't see it right away, scroll sideways through the quick settings tiles. On some devices, you might need to tap an edit or a pencil icon to reveal extra tiles. Then drag the cast or screen mirroring tile into your main panel so it's easier to access next time. Once you've located it, tap the cast or screen mirroring option. Your phone will start searching for available devices on the network. At this point, move to your laptop and make sure it's ready to receive the connection. On many modern laptops, especially those running recent versions of common operating systems, there is a built-in wireless display or casting feature you can enable from the system settings or the notifications area. Turn that on so your laptop becomes visible to your phone. After a few seconds, your laptop's name should appear in the list of available devices on your phone. Tap the name of your laptop to start the connection. You might see a confirmation prompt on your laptop asking if you want to allow the device to project. Accept or allow the request. In a short moment, your phone's screen should appear on your laptop. Anything you do on your phone now, like opening apps or playing videos, will be mirrored on your computer. When you're finished, simply disconnect from the cast option on your phone to stop mirroring.